Hello children, how are you dear? Okay, I hope you are all fine. Welcome to the EVS online class. EVS class 1, day 11, our planet. Children, can you say our planet name? Okay, very good, very nice. Our planet is Earth. We are living in the planet. We are living in this planet. Okay. Our country, India, is on the planet. Our country, India. Which is our country? India. Which is our country, ma? India. Say the spelling of India. I-N-D-I-A. India. Say the spelling again. I-N-D-I-A. India. India is our country. Our country is on the earth. Say the spelling of country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Say the spelling again. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Okay. Then earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Again read this. India. I-N-D-I-A. India. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Okay. Students, you read this word in your home. Okay. Then look at the slide. Our country is on the earth. Read this. Our country is on the earth. Read this sentence. Our country is on the earth. Our country is on the earth. Okay. The next one. Our home. Read this. Our home. Again. Our home. Our home is in our town. Our home is in our town. Our home is in our town. Okay children, our home is in our town. Our home is in our town. Okay children, now look at the board. Say the spelling. Home. H-O-M-E. Home. H-O-M-E. Home. Town. T-O-W-N. Town. T-O-W-N. Town. T-O-W-N. Town. State. Read this word. State. State. S-T-A-T-E. State. S-T-A-T-E. State. Again read this. Home. H-O-M-E. Home. Town. T-O-W-N. Town. S-T-A-T-E. State. Now look at the slide. Our home is in our town. Our home is in our town. Again read this. Our home is in our town. Okay. The next one. Our town is in our state. 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 Children, read again. Our town is in our state. The next one. Our state is in India. Our state is in India. Our state is in India. Our country India is on the earth. Which is our country? India. Our country India is on the earth. Our country India is on the earth. Okay? Dear children, now you take your student reader. Now you take your student reader book, page number 48. Page number 48, student reader number 4. I give you time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Children, I think you take your student reader book. Okay? State and country. First one, state. My town is in my state. Students, follow me. My town is in my state. Again, my town is in my state. A state has many towns. A state has many towns. A state has many towns. Next one, country. My state is in my country. My state is in my country. My state is in my country. This is my country. This is my country. India. It has many states. How many states? There are 29 states in our country. How many states, ma? There are 29 states in our country. Again, I read this. My state is in my country. This is my country. India. This is my country. India. It has many states. It has many states. Let us see next one. Okay. Our national symbols. Our national symbols. Students, follow me. Be careful. We learnt that each of us is unique. Each of us is unique. We learned that each of us is unique. Our country, India, is also unique. How is each of us is unique? Like that, our country, India, is also unique. To show our uniqueness, we have national symbols. To show our uniqueness, we have national symbols. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. New Delhi is the national capital of India. New Delhi is the national capital of India. New Delhi is the national capital of India. Tiranga is our national flag. Tiranga is our national flag. Our national currency is rupee. Our national currency is rupee. Our national languages are Hindi and English. Our national languages are Hindi and English. The next one, tiger is the national animal of India. Tiger is the national animal of India. Next one, peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock is the national bird of India. Students, now take your worksheet number 10. Now take your worksheet number 10. First one, all about my country. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. First one, option A. The national animal of India is? Children, can you see the answer? Think and say the answer, ma. Yeah, very good. Very nice answer. The national animal of India is tiger. Then option B. The currency of India is. Children say the answer. The currency of India is. Very good. Very nice answer. Rupee. What's the answer, ma? Rupee. R-U-P-E-E. Rupee. R-U-P-E-E. Rupee. Again, say the spelling. R-U-P-E-E. Rupee. Okay. Let us go next question. The official language of India is. The official language of India is Hindi. Very good. The official language of India is Hindi. H-I-N-D-I. Hindi. H-I-N-D-I. Hindi. H-I-N-D-I. Hindi. Again, I read this. First one, tiger. Our national animal is tiger. Our national currency is rupee. Our national language is Hindi. Our national language is Hindi. Okay. The next one, the official language is Hindi. Our national anthem is. Students, say the answer. Can you say the answer? The national anthem of India. The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. Say the spelling. J-A-N-A-G-A-N-A-M-A-N-A. Jana Gana Mana. Students, say the answer. Jana Gana Mana. Who compiled this? Very good. Rabindranath Tagore compiled our national anthem. Okay. Next one. The capital of India is. Which is our capital of India? Which is our capital, ma? The capital of India is New Delhi. What's ma? New Delhi. N-E-W-B-E-L-H-I. New Delhi. N-E-W-D-E-L-H-I. New Delhi. Again, I read this question. The capital of India is New Delhi. The next one. The national bird of India is. Very good answer. Peacock. The national bird of India is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Our national capital is New Delhi. Our national bird is peacock. Our national bird is peacock. Okay, students. Now see the next question. Question number 2. Draw and color the following. Draw and color the following. First one, option A. Draw and label the national animal of India. Which is our national animal? Tiger. Very good. Tiger. Let us draw tiger. Okay, children. Here, children. Now look at the board. First, you have to draw like this. Just one curve here. Then you have to draw here one curve towards the upwards. Then you have to join this like this. Students, follow me. You can draw easily. Okay. Then you have to draw like this. Left side, the same one. You draw like this. Here, you just one bend here. You draw one bend here. Okay. Then you have to draw like this. Here one line, just standing. Here you draw like B. Then this corner Here one line, then you draw upwards one line. Here also draw slanting right side, then one line upwards. Okay, wow. You put the pencil here, just standing like this. You draw like this. How to we draw? Like you also follow me. Okay, ma? Then another one leg. Here you draw like this. Okay, mama. Here left side, just we draw only curve line. Don't fear, we don't draw diagram. It is very simple. Before that, you draw one square shape. Already you have in your book. Okay, ma? You draw that square shape. Okay, ma? Now we get the what, ma? Diagram. Now you write the label diagram. Write the name. Our national animal is tiger. Okay. Let us draw our national bird. Okay, children. Children, next one, our national bird. Let us draw. You draw like this. Then you have to draw here. You draw like this. Students, children, listen. You draw like this, and here you draw one circle. You draw eye here, then B, K. Here you draw like this. Here we draw already. We draw tree, isn't it? Like this we also draw. Okay, ma? Just draw lines. Let us draw, ma. You draw small circle. Here you draw small circle. Bottom of the place, you draw small one like this. Okay. Now we get our children. You draw your own imagination. Okay, va? Shadow here, and here also draw like this. You can fill the color also. Okay. You fill the color like this. Dear children, now we get the peacock. Okay, let us write peacock name. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Okay, dear children, now you take your worksheet number 13. Worksheet number 13. Earth is special. Page number 86. Page number 86. Fill in the blanks using words given below. human beings. What children? Human beings. Then right side of the place. Very good. Very nice answer. Animals. We share the earth with human beings, animals and plants. Left side of the place. What will you write? Plants. Let us go next question. Okay children. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. First one, water. First one, water, sunlight, land, air. Okay? Okay children? Yes, special things that help living things. What are the special things? They help living things. First one, what are they doing? She is breathing. She is breathing. We are breathing, otherwise we can't live. Okay. So, first box you write what ma? Air. Okay. Second picture. What did you see? What do you see ma? Very good. Very nice answer. Water. What children? Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Okay. The next one. Children, listen and say the answer. Soil. The plant have soil. The plant has soil. S-O-I-L. Soil. The next one. The plants need sunlight. Otherwise, they did not grow. Okay? So, you write sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight. Dear children, now look at the slide. I give you time. Again see and write. Or you can take screenshot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Children, I think you finished. Okay? Dear children, this is the homework for you. Worksheet number 9. Worksheet number 9. My home to my country. Okay. Page number 82. Page number 82. Okay? Children, you do the homework in your home. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Take care.